Hi everyone, my name is Carolina Muñoz Vargas and today I'm going to explain a little about the three symbols, sounds of consonants. Well, the first is this, and the sound is a voice dental fricative consonant, and this phoneme is spelled with the letter TH, yes, as in a word. And this sound is voice, and you produce it with your throat here. And to produce this sound, place your tongue between your top and bottom teeth and put the air here, the air out. For example, with the word they, yes, or thaw, or also by the then. Some sentences are they are in the kitchen. My mother is very sick. Or those days are very cold. Yes. And this is a song from the consonant pairs group. Yes. The other song is this. It's called the Boilets Plateau Belar Civilan. The song is she, yeah, she. And it's similar and it's normal to spell with the letter ch. Yes, it's very normal with this word. For example, the word she. Well, to produce this sound, clench your teeth together lightly and pull your tongue away from them, and then push air through them. Yes. For example, she is at home. You should be sure. Here there are two words with the same sound. You should be sure of what you are going to do. Or I finish my homework. Yes. And other words are like a sure or sure also. And the means that you create friction through clenched teeth by directing airflow. Yes. Well, the last sound symbol is this. Well, this phoneme is spelled with the letter J as in a word. Yes. And it's a sound sh. Yes. It's sh. It's voice alveopalatal affricative consonant, and you create friction by first stopping the airflow with your tongue and right behind your teeth. Yes, with your teeth. For example, with the word use, job, or general or college. So an example more complete are some examples are this. The pet's religion is to be a good person, or I enjoyed the trip, or I just want to take 2 books. Yes. And well, that is all. I hope you have learned more about the phonetic symbols. These are very common in the English. And thank you so much. Bye bye.